Hey guys, Matt here. I'm at the Kohler booth and I've got Sydney. She's going to talk about their steam units. I know a lot of you guys want that nice, relaxing steam shower. Kohler has one of those. I didn't know you guys were into steam because no one's ever asked about a Kohler steam before. So tell us about this product. Is it new to the market?
So we've actually had steam since the late 1990s.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but we've actually bring it back. We've made a lot of improvements to it. So you are seeing a generator here behind the wall. So our new generator has PowerClean technology that helps mitigate the scale, which is a big problem within the steam industry.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so you're seeing a steam shower or a steam room right here, but you can also put it in your showering space in case you want to like save space, which is a really nice feature. These are the two steam heads right here.
Okay.
So we've got square on featured right here. That comes in 9 different finishes, and those finishes are standard across Kohler, so it's really nice to create a cohesive space in your bathroom or in the steam room.
Now I know some of your other products, I believe it's like one of the waterfall tubs, you can add essential oils and stuff like that. Is there anything you can add to this? Like I know some people add Vicks and stuff like that to steam showers. Like how does that work with your system?
Yeah, so really simple. You see the steam head right here, there's a little divot. Yep. So all you would do is just add little droplets.
Oil on that? That's perfect. All right, and then go in there, you're all stuffed up, go in the steam shower or steam room, come back out. Now, I know steam showers are really popular. Steam rooms, really, I've never really seen this in residential. You've seen like the commercial applications. How often are you seeing people use this in a house these days?
They're getting more and more popular. So I would say probably 20% of the places are these steam rooms, and then the 80% are still your steam showers.
Got it. And basically just all the mechanicals for this are just in a separate space outside of the steam room.
Yeah, so I would recommend putting them in a closet or in your basement. They just have to be a minimum of 25 feet away from your steam head.
And as far as the different sizes, you have different steam generators that can basically output steam based on the size of the space?
Yes, so we offer 10 different SKUs that accommodate like 80 cubic feet all the way up to 1,000 cubic feet. So basically whatever you need, we can accommodate.
Now, I've been a fan of the steam shower, but I think the steam room should be more popular than the steam shower because what if you don't want to take a shower? It's like, I just want to relax, whatever, go in the steam room, clean out your sinuses, or just your whole respiratory. This is a very powerful product.
Absolutely. Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of people build out their whole wellness space, so they've been integrating a steam room versus a steam shower for that reason.
All right. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, Matt.